Hi, in this video we'll talk about how we can do the initial setup of AVD Manager, Android Virtual Device Manager in Android Studio. So first of all, let's start by installing Android Studio if you haven't done that so far. So you can get it absolutely for free from the official website developer.android.com/studio, and here you can just select the version which you would like to take, whether it's for Windows, for Mac, Linux, or even Chrome OS, and just download and install. You don't have any challenges in doing that. So once you are done, just launch it, and let's create a new project first. Let's start with empty activities. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates. So here on the left, you can see a high-level menu. So we should select whether we are developing an application for a phone or a tablet, whether it's Wear OS, Android TV, or even automotive. So let's focus on phone and tablet first. And here just select an empty activity. So we have some pre-built activities. Now let's take the empty one. So in this video, we are just going to test whether installation has been successful and do some initial setup of our virtual Android device. Okay, let's next. Now we should specify some data related to our application. Let's put it my first Android application. So it's up to you how you call it. So the important part is the package name. So basically, package name is used to distinguish between different applications, so that the unique identifier of Android application, because there are a lot of applications nowadays in the world, and many of them can have similar name or even exact match. But there are no two applications in the world with the same package name. So the package name uniquely identifies each application. And usually when we give a package name, we use our company name or our company domain to form a package name. So since this channel is the mobile.dev, so I will use that as a prefix for my package name. And also we start, so if we have a domain like the mobile.dev, we start from right to left, so dev dot the mobile, right? Okay, so save location, so you just choose where you want to save it, and language. As you can see, Android out of box supports two languages, Java and Kotlin. So in my next videos, so we'll use both Java and Kotlin when we start programming. So for now, it doesn't matter actually what we choose, but you should keep in mind that Kotlin is the language which is recommended to be used by Google. So let's keep it Java, but you can choose Kotlin as well. And here, a very important point, minimum SDK. So the SDK or the version of Android, our application will require to start. So if we choose, for example, API level 27, Android 8.1, so it means that our application will be able to run starting from Android 8.1 and above. So we can run it on Android 9, Android 10, 11, but we'll not be able to launch it on Android 7, for example. And here, once you choose the API level, you can see your application will run on percentage of devices. So that's an estimate done based on the data from Google Play Store. So obviously, the higher the level is, uh, the less the percentage is. As you can see, so Android 10 only 8%. If we choose 7, it's 73%. Okay, so let's keep it 8.0. So it's not very important right now. You can choose any other API level as well. So once again, this project is just for testing, and finish. So once we are done, Android Studio will now generate a new project for us. So you can see now it's being generated. So some dependencies are being downloaded, as you can see here. So Gradle, the Gradle basically is a dependency manager which takes care about additional libraries, packages, and so on, which we will use in our project, so to be downloaded and available for us. So it takes some time depending on your internet connection speed. Okay, so it's being synchronized. While we are waiting, we can start with AVD configuration. So basically, it's available in two places: from Tools, AVD Manager, Android Virtual Device Manager. So that's one point of access, so to say. And another one is here on the top right corner. You can see the shortcut. Okay, AVD Manager. So if you have just installed Android Studio, you will not have anything here. So basically, this list will be completely empty. Yeah. And let's start by adding a new virtual device, create virtual device. Okay, so here we have some dialog where we can choose from. So as you can see, we can create not only a virtual phone, yeah, but also watch, tablet, even automotive, and TV. Yeah. For now, let's start with phone. So here you can see some models. So basically, Google phone models, yeah, the Pixel series. So basically, what you should focus on the size of uh, the screen. You can see it here, and resolution. So basically, density as well. Okay. Um, so let's take, for example, this one, the highest resolution. Not highest, but very high resolution. And here you can see also this icon on Play Store column. Basically, it indicates whether using this device we will be able also to interact with the Google Play Store. So basically, that's a quite important consideration. So maybe let's create a device which is able to do that. So Pixel 4 I will select. Next. Okay, and here now we should select an system image. So basically now we should choose an operating system for our Android device. So whether it will run Android 11, Android 10, and so on. So recommended. Here we can click on x86 images, and basically we'll have here all versions. Other images even more. So the current version is 30. So let's use it. Let's 30, and yeah. So if you don't have them, you should click on download and image will be downloaded. So myself already have it, so I can just select it and click next. Okay, see ya. So here we have some basic information. Once again, we can give a name. So here we can see the resolution, screen size, Android version. Here, if we click on show advanced settings, we can see something else. So whether we would like to have front and back camera, network. Okay. Also here we can choose the size of internal storage. So the internal storage, which will be available for our use. So this storage doesn't include space required for system itself. So once we have our image rolled out, we'll have 2 gigs of free space as of now. Okay, let's click finish, and voila, it's created. Okay. Okay, now we have a new device, and here, so also you can see size on the disk. So as you see, I haven't launched this image yet, this virtual device, as we have just created it, and the size is quite small. But you can see I also have another devices which I have heavily used before, and the size of disk is quite impressive. So just keep in mind that you will need quite much space on your disk. Okay, let's launch it. Okay, so when we launch it for the first time, it takes some time, so that the so-called cold boot, so the system is being launched from scratch, so it takes some time. After that, once we have launched this virtual device, we can just hibernate it, and next time it will start much faster. Okay, let's go. Let's wait a bit, and in the meantime you can see that the synchronization Gradle project synchronization has been completed, so we are ready to use our project. So once the load of the device is completed, we will try to launch the sample application which has been generated with this project on our virtual device, just to be sure that everything works fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Seems now it works. Yeah. Okay. And let's launch it. So to launch application on a particular device, here on the top, you can see here a drop-down menu where you can select on which device you want to launch this application. So we have available devices, so all devices defined in Android Virtual Device Manager, and under running devices you see the devices which are switched on. I have only one switched on. I select it and press run application. As alternative, Shift plus F10. Okay, so the build is run. So Gradle is now compiling our application, adding all needed libraries, and after that, after build is completed, it will be automatically installed and launched on our virtual device. Of course, it will also take some time. Okay, so build finished. Now it's being installed. Okay, you can see that's the sample application, which has been generated automatically by Android Studio. So that's proves that, okay, I can now hibernate it, saving state. So next time it will launch much faster. Okay, so it proves that our newly created virtual Android device works fine. Okay, so that also concludes our video. Next time we'll start talking about Android Studio itself. We'll have a look at the structure of Android project and we'll start doing some amazing stuff. Okay, so thanks to all for watching. If you still have some questions, something is not clear, you have suggestions and so on, just write in the comments under the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like it. Okay, and thanks to all for watching once again, and see you next time. Bye bye.